People live in spaces, and spaces protect people. Security in space means protection of life. A door lock is the minimum safety and the maximum peace of mind. Security in quality, value in design. Milre Systech. Since its founding in 1991, Milre has pursued one belief to create the perfect digital door lock. In 2003, the Milre Systech brand was born. By 2010, we became #1 in Korea's digital rim lock market. From 2016 to 2019, we received the Export Tower Award 4 consecutive years, showcasing our quality worldwide. With 52 patents and exports to 15 countries, Milre Systech continues to lead the future of the digital door lock industry through relentless innovation. Precise fingerprint recognition, advanced facial recognition, smart IoT access with mobile apps. Through in-house R&D and innovation, we make everyday life safer and smarter. With pioneering design leadership, we provide intuitive and user-friendly interfaces. More than just a function, our digital door locks become one of the interior elements that people truly desire. The quality of Milre Systech door locks comes from strong development planning and flawless execution. From concept to design to engineering, we handle everything in-house. Driven by a spirit of challenge, we strive every day to create better products. Our production staff are veterans with more than 10 years of experience. With maximum inspection yield rate, we deliver the highest quality with minimal defects. Leveraging 30+ years of know-how, we have the capacity to produce over 400,000 units annually. Our trusted AS network includes 359 domestic centers and overseas hubs. Every digital door lock of Milre Systech undergoes strict quality testing. We never compromise on safety. Our locks are built to perform perfectly under any environment. With proven quality, Milre Systech will set new security paradigms for the global market. With trust as our highest value and the mission to protect lives, we will continue advancing technology and innovation so that everyone can live in peace of mind. Security in quality, value in design. Milre Systech.